Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best oil filters in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the intricate details of each oil filter, evaluating their performance, durability, and value for money. We conducted extensive research and rigorous testing to bring you this list. But here's the catch: one of these filters has a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest. Can you guess which one it is? Stay tuned till the end to find out. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. K&N KN-171C Synthetic Oil Filter. Number 4. FRAM Ultra Synthetic XG 7317 Oil Filter. Number 3. Mobil 1M1113A Oil Filter. Number 2. ACDelco PF63 Professional Engine Oil Filter. Number 1. Purolator 1 Advanced PL 14610 Protection Oil Filter.